I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I never. Hi guys, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish. Last video was from the 1920s, this video is from 2020s. So we have 4 chords. I'm going to show you how to play it 3 half steps higher than the original this time. So capo will not save you if you want to play with the original recording, but I just figured out this is a really simple way to play it and get the groove of the song, get the feeling with this. Which basically goes throughout the whole song. So yeah, this is my way of playing it. Stick to the end to learn with me. Alright, let's go. Alright, so basically we have just 4 different chords. We have the chord of F, then the chord of D minor, then we have the chord of G minor 7, right? I'm grabbing it like this, barring the first 2 strings, the A and E on the first fret and middle finger here. In a little bit I'll show you, we are adding the pinky somewhere, but just to show you the last chord before that, we have the C chord, right? All right, but actually I'm playing the C with the pinky here. All right, so what are the tones that are going throughout the whole song? Is this thing. So it's basically on the E string first fret, E, then A, E, then you remove it and play E string open. Again, E, A, E, and get it back. E, A, E, E, A, E, E, A, E. Then we have to implement this in the chords. So what I'm doing here is grabbing the F chord, but also the pinky here, right? And then I just play the upper 3 strings, and then the A string, E, then removing the E string here, and again the upper 3 strings. All right, and then the same thing but on D minor, right? Grabbing the D minor. And the same thing on G minor 7, right? And lastly on the C chord, but also adding here the 2nd fret of the E string again. All right, so basically throughout the whole song we're just repeating this. I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I ride away dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too, 'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. And in the 2nd verse, actually, in the original song, we have just the bass and the drums. But here on the ukulele, just don't play this. So on the next part, when you introduce it, something has happened, right? So I would play it like this. I want you to see how you look at me. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would so full of. Alright. I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Well, I'm getting a little bit playful with the song. You should do as well, but in your own way. Alright, so pretty much this sums up my tutorial for Birds of a Feather. It will be easier to learn this and practice it slowly with the interactive tab. If you're a member of ukulelecheers.com, you have access to that. There'll be a link in the description if you want to. You can try it, cancel anytime. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.